Hi, everybody. It's Shout Out
Sunday.
Monday.
Sunday on Monday.
Monday.
Shout out Sunday on Monday.
Our special guest is this guy, who most of you guys know was Rick, but tonight he is someone different. Who are you, sir?
I'm pretty sure with my voice lost, I'm late night radio.
You have to
Rick.
talk louder. No one can hear you.
I'm late night radio Rick.
Okay.
I literally lost my voice completely. And so now I'm going to speak in the
wonderful
microphone.
As many of you guys would think when he lost his voice that I would be like, yes, this is incredible.
Oh, yeah.
It has been, how do we say it? A delightful journey that we've been on with him and no voice.
She hates it.
It's literally the worst. And I hope you feel better and get your voice back quick.
Me too.
Okay. So, it seriously is, I'm not used to it.
Oh, yeah.
So, thank you guys for your patience. We didn't have Shout Out Sunday last night
I couldn't even make this much noise yesterday.
because we were out of town and we didn't get back until late last night. So, tonight we are jumping on a Monday to celebrate all of you and your wonderful accomplishments for the week. I can't talk, no one can hear you.
No.
This is going to be fantastic.
Yeah, it's going to be best video ever.
Right. Okay. So
She sincerely hates this.
it's the worst.
We're gonna see if we can get through
It's
this.
the
I
word.
don't
Okay.
think it's gonna go well.
So, yeah. So we do have a lot as normal to celebrate with you guys tonight. So we're gonna start off the list. Okay. So here we go.
I have an idea. You're not gonna like it.
Great. Okay. So let's jump in and see if I can overtalk him at this point. Okay. So Heather Jackson hit 200 last week, and I know we celebrated. So congratulations to you, Heather, hitting 200. Super proud of you. This is gonna be real great.
This is gonna be hilarious.
This is gonna be fantastic.
We're gonna have one viewer.
Okay, so then we had the wonderful Chris Russman, who has hit day 65. So congratulations, starting your streak over and crushing it. Then we have...
Oh, yes.
Okay. So then we also have some people that have restarted their streak and are doing fantastic. So we have Matt Knapp that wrapped up day 30 last week. Miranda. Rach passed her 30 days again, starting over her streak and is crushing it. We also have Miranda, who is now a week down, so super proud of you. I feel like I'm on a sitcom. A really bad sitcom with a... Oh my gosh.
Oh yeah.
This is gonna be a rough one, Chris. Yeah,
Drink.
I think we need to call it Wine Wednesday.
Drink.
Because this is exactly, that was probably the most perfect one. Thank you for that. Okay, so I also want to celebrate Kristen Petru, who also is over 400 days and hit her streak, and super proud of you. Just to fill everybody in, these magical noises that are happening in the background is because Rick sounds like this.
I can't talk at all. My voice is literally pillow talk radio.
And is... So we also have Tammy. I hate it. I hate it so much. We also have Tammy.
What?
Just stop. Okay, I can't get through any of this. You're so distracting. Tammy has hit over day 61, so congratulations to you. I feel like now I have to overtalk that. I'm going to lose my voice from talking over these obnoxious... Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I'm losing my train of thought. Seriously.
I think you're doing so well. You're doing great.
Thank you. So, Tammy, day 61. I also want to give a huge shout out to Jay Little.
Oh, yes.
Him and his wonderful videos and Jay's Jam Gym. And always sharing your videos and I don't even know what else, to be honest with you. You're so distracting. But tonight I have an announcement. This will be my last. Oh my God, you're so weird. Okay, so Jay Little, congratulations. And not even congratulations, you guys. Seriously, you can tell this is live. I'm messing up left and right. So don't do it. let me just get through a couple more without these nonsense soundtracks. Okay, so Jay Little, thank you for sharing your videos. They're incredible and also very inspiring, showing us
Great
how
job.
you are getting in your miles on a daily basis at your own jam gym, which I love that.
Very, very cool.
Bazinga.
Okay. So I also want to give a shout out to Mr. Ben Pearson. Get this, you guys.
Almost 2 million. Oh. Got him. Pretty sure our whole video got flagged right there. It's over. We're gonna get shut down.
Okay, I have to hold it together. People are getting distracted. It's a Monday night. People have work tomorrow.
Yeah.
Okay, so Ben is at 1,943,516 steps. I know I always say miles. So Ben is like, remember, it's steps. 1.9 million steps. That's so proud of you. So proud of you, Ben. Okay. Okay. Gosh. The one huge one last week, we had Jess De Los Santos. Also, huge shout out to her taking care of her mom right now. But also celebrating her day 500. I don't know why I went like this, but day 500.
Bazinga.
Bazinga. So, huge shout out to you, Jess, at 500 days in a row. And we had a chance to spend some time with her this weekend. And truly so inspiring for you to keep it straight that's that many days in a row over 1 year and a half. So, congratulations to you.
It's incredible.
Okay. Great. Okay. So I also want to give everyone a huge shout out that came and hung out with us on Saturday and Sunday. We were in town this weekend, unfortunately for a funeral. So okay, so I want to shout out the people that were able to come out and meet with us. And you guys, I know that we ended up doing this literally on the fly last minute. So thank you to everyone that came out and was able to come out and meet with us. And huge shout out to these people. Yeah, Jay.
Yes.
Oh yes, you're right. Okay, so Samir. So we saw Samir getting in his jam workout and crushing it. Also had a chance to meet Samir's lovely wife. And for anyone,
And the Oscar goes to
Debbie Bato. That was good. So Debbie Bato is an incredible woman and also Samir's wife. So we had a chance to meet her, and she's absolutely gorgeous and wonderful, just as wonderful as Samir is as well. Yeah, that's how I felt when I met her. Exactly. You did nail that one. Okay. We also had Miranda, the sisters. Miranda and Arissa also came out. Patrick as well. And as you guys know, Patrick's been in the group for some time and now has went to a step up where he's doing some really heavy lifting and he's crushing it and was able to do his workout with you yesterday. So that's awesome.
That was Chewbacca.
Yep.
You're welcome.
Yep, nailed it. Also, Jeff Kerrigan and Lisa O'Neill. First time meeting her, and thank you so much for taking the time and coming out to meet with us. We truly appreciate every single one of you guys. You made our weekend going into this. It's going to be a little bit more of the sad side. Turn out to be pretty incredible. So thank you guys.
Don't give me no air horn.
Yep. I never thought in a million years I'd be like, I can't wait till you can talk loudly again. Today's the day. I can't. Oh, okay. So moving on. Here we go. Okay, so huge shout out to some of our graduates. We had some people, I can't even talk, some warrior women that graduated the Warrior Challenge. And I want to give these women a shout out who have continued to push through. These workouts are no joke. They're doing 100 rep workout, 400 rep.
400 reps.
Rep workouts. Okay. Huge shout out to you guys. I do like to have a good time. It's just I can't focus and deal with him at the same time tonight. So
it's either the soundboard or I just talk like this the whole time.
So huge shout out to Christine Moore, Sandy, Denise, all graduates. Did I forget anybody else? Graduates of the Warrior workouts.
It was Christine and Sandy who graduated. Right. It is 90 days of grueling ass kicking.
It's intense, and these women crushed it. And also I want to give a shout out to some of the women that are still doing the Warrior workouts. Denise, Brittany, Miranda. Who else? I'm completing now, restarting the third month. And I know you're doing them here and there. So
I'm running 2 different workout groups.
Oh, kind of like me. Okay, so okay. So
she's getting all of these jokes.
Okay, so huge shout out to you guys. Pretty fantastic. Okay, the next thing is we're gonna start, and we're going to. I'm so thrown off. First of all, it's Monday. Second of all, you can't talk, and third, the sound.
They're so good.
Are keeping me on my toes.
Yes.
And my patience
at
a low. Okay. So I wanted what?
I didn't even do anything that time.
Okay. So we want to celebrate our top recognition warriors. There's been some more movement when it comes to the top 10 and who is cheering people on the most. And I cannot wait to celebrate with you guys.
I like this one too.
I know you do. Okay. So, starting with number 10, Tracy. You don't need to talk to do this one. Do it.
Oh.
Tornado at number 10.
I got nothing for that one yet.
Okay, great. So, great job, Tracy, at number 10. Number 9.
Oh, yeah.
The Jam-tastic man himself, Beard Brothers, with Brad Lepid,
The Battle of the Beards.
Bagwell. Number...
He got a double Chewbacca.
At number 9, Jeff Bagwell. Congratulations. At number 9, cheering people on. Okay. Number 8, Tammy Glagowski Shannon, or Tammy Shannon Glagowski. We'll take it either way. At number 8, congratulations. Number 7, up and recovering. Also, jumping right back into her miles, we have JENN Hardy. At number 7, and I have a feeling she's gonna climb her way back up to number 1. So, oh my gosh. Okay, so next we have number 6. Whew, this is a long shout out to Monday. Number 6,
Bazinga.
we have Ann Wilichowski. At number 6. Number 5, Aloha
Oh, yes.
Mahalo Jan Weber. Number 5.
Tiki torch, surfboard. Those are my Hawaiian words of the day.
Good job. Proud of you. Yeah, that's how I feel. Okay. No.
Bazinga.
Okay. Number 4. Check out this guy climbing up ranks, cheering everybody on, and you had another workout with him this past week. Steve Bitts, number 4. Number 4. Congratulations. Nailed it.
I really like Steve. He's great.
He is great.
He's killing it. He's doing really good.
Now we
Very
have
proud of you, Steve. Good
number
job.
3, Tana Carter Lee, and number 3, holding down the fort. I do not like that one.
It says ta-da.
Okay. Number 2, holding the number 2 spot, Samir Bato, number 2.
It's the
Felt like you needed your moment.
Samir
nailed
Bato
it.
dance.
Good job.
The timing was terrible.
Okay, number 1,
And the Oscar goes to
Sarah O'Bannon. That is my favorite. That is my favorite one. Good job. Good job. Sarah O'Bannon, you're crushing it. Number 1, recognition warrior.
And also very helpful with the real comments on stuff. I really appreciate that.
I totally agree. Thank you always for such great insight and feedback and comments to help our group continue to grow and be better. So we appreciate you so much. And thank you for being the number 1 recognition warrior for last week. It's very, very exciting.
That's your screenshot. Also, how our video got banned. So,
Yeah, you're going to get us kicked off. Tonight will be the
Yes.
last night of Just a Mile a Day.
Oh, yes.
No, oh no.
Oh.
It's more like, oh no. Is there anything? What? Okay.
I just got
So-
this thing.
Great. Can't wait for that one. That's good. Okay. So, congratulations to all of you guys. A couple additional things we wanted to go over tonight. Can you guys believe there's only 23 days left until January 1st to the Happy New Year? 23 days before so many people declare their New Year's resolutions. So, just a reminder, please, 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 we would love for you guys to share that we currently are having a sale. We have marked everything down to only $12 a month. You have to sign up before January 15th, and you keep that price always, unless you cancel, and then you have to sign up with a regular price, whatever it is at that time. So if you guys are interested in doing these workouts with us, sign up. All of the workouts get emailed directly to you on a daily basis. You can do them from home for $12 a month, which is pretty incredible. Pretty incredible.
Also, they could be gifted.
Yes. Yes, they can. Thank you for that.
I know I needed something. You were waiting for it. You're getting better.
So, yes. Practice.
Bazinga.
Bazinga. Okay. So, also, we put up some we put up a poll in the group whether, for our group to be private or public. We are going back and forth and just reading all the comments. So thank you guys for all of you guys that have shared your comments as reasons why we should be public or the reason why we should be private. And the reason behind that, and I just want to share with all of you guys, is that as a group, we used to be private pretty much the majority of time that we started just public. We used to be public when we first launched this Facebook page. We were public for the majority of time. We've only had a private group probably maybe the last 6 months, maybe
6 or 7 months. Yeah.
6 or 7 months. And one thing that we noticed is that we've seen a slower increase of people that we have in our group. And so we're at a point now where we are doing more advertising. We're trying to get the word out to more people. And our thought process is, in order to do that, to make it public, from going from private to public, more people are able to see it. And so that's right now kind of what we're going back and forth on. We are open to still keeping it private. We just need to know and understand what that other side looks like. So
How can we keep it private so people who like it private have it that way, but also help as many people as possible know that they can also have something as good as what you have?
Right. So something we're going to do is, because he can't talk and he also cannot argue with me right now as well. So, this is what we're going to do. We are going to offer an incentive, okay? Surprise.
What's
Do you have a surprise? Okay, we're going to offer an incentive. Okay, that wasn't a joke though. This is going to be for real.
We didn't talk
about it. So, this is what we're going to do. Starting today through January
Why
15th. The person that invites the most people to this group, over 50 people, will win $100. And that is our way of saying thank you to you. So we wanted to create some type of exciting incentive, and I will post up in the group how we are able to invite people and how it would work on your end. But we are asking for, and it's not just clicking the button, the person has to physically join the group with us.
How are we supposed to?
I will manage the end of that.
How do we know who did what?
Great question. And on the back end, I can see who's who and who's inviting who, which is pretty incredible.
Okay.
It is a little bit of a beast to manage, but it's something that I think is worth it. Is if we can help more people, and our goal is to help as many people as we can to live a healthier lifestyle, to be encouraged on a daily basis, to offer hope, to hit their weight loss goals, physical fitness goals.
That's true.
We need to do whatever we can, and this is our way to give back to you guys for taking the time to recruit and have people join our group. So I'm very, very passionate about this.
So you're saying like 50 people to like sign up for something?
50 people that post in our group.
Oh, just active 50 members.
Yes.
So they don't have to buy anything. We're just going to give $100 away
for free for you.
Well, I don't see why you wouldn't.
Just do it!
I agree.
I don't know why you wouldn't do
I
that.
agree. So starting today, and I'll put, if you guys are in the group, I will put out the incentive for this as well. And again, it's the 50 people that you invite that become a part of our group and our culture.
Okay.
I like that. So more than happy to give $100 away for everyone competing to do this, which is super exciting. What are you doing?
Trying to fix the lighting. I just got whitewashed.
Yeah. Ooh. Okay.
Whoa.
What else? I think that's all I have.
Yeah, I can't really say anything today, so
I hope your voice is better by Wednesday, because I don't know if I can do. Don't know if I can do this.
Seriously do too. So, also for those of you who are,
Can't see. So bright.
let me go ahead and get my sounds back up.
I see the future. So bright. Wish I had my shades.
This isn't working. Okay.
No.
All right.
So, Yeah, that's it. That's all I got. What are you doing?
It's broken.
It's fine. We're
What'd you do?
we're literally, I think, wrapping it up, right?
I'm trying to.
What's happening?
I don't know. So yeah, I think right now with the public to private thing, go ahead and keep putting up your opinions because we want to hear both sides of this before we make any decisions on which way. The idea is really how do we get a solution?
Your voice is so comforting.
So calm, so soothing. How do we get to help more people by not telling anybody about it? If you have a solution to do this, I would love to hear it. I'm talking directly in this microphone. You may not be able to hear me, but they can. Comfortingly, softly, smoothly. That sounds like a beer commercial. We're giving away $100 apparently. So you should do that.
Okay, we're good. So, some people are probably like, oh, that's such a wonderful voice.
No, I have a lot I have to say still.
That is so soothing.
I still have a lot that I want to say. A lot to say. So, for those of you who haven't got a chance to put up whether it should be public or private, just go onto the poll and let's go ahead and backwards.
It went backwards.
What are you doing? What is it? What are you doing?
This is perfect. This is perfect, everybody.
Okay,
so we're going to wrap up there. Bottom line is I'll post up in the group if you guys invite as many people as you can, and you can win $100 from now, starting tonight through January 15th. You can win $100 just by inviting people that you believe in to come and join our group. So exciting. So
Very big news.
we're wrapping it up. Thank you guys so much for your patience tonight.
It's really good. Thank you.
And if you haven't gotten off the jam couch today, if you haven't gotten off the jam couch today,
Get up and go.
is that gonna hurt?
Oh yeah. Oh God. Oh my God! Look, you gave me a white spot. I think you just made this part of my hair go gray. So if you haven't done it yet, get off the jam couch.
And do the jam thing. Bye, guys.